Hello, welcome to Bespoke Unit. In this video we're going to be looking at the Beckett Simonon monk strap offerings, both the single and the double. Hello, my name is Paul Anthony.
And I'm CP.
And as I said in the intro, we're going to be looking at the monk strap offerings from Beckett Simonon. Charles-Philippe is going to detail a little bit about Beckett Simonon. I'm going to talk a little about the formality and use cases of where these shoes could fit in your collection.
So to your left you have the Hoyt double monk strap from Beckett Simonon, which comes with a cap toe finish, and to your right you have the Leonard monk with a plain toe. In terms of construction, you're looking here at a Blake construction with a full grain Argentinian calfskin upper and a vachetta whole cut lining, which means there are no stitches. In terms of stitching on the outside, you have 11 to 12 stitches per inch, which means it gives you quite a tight finish.
Also, I actually like the little suede back they have here in the heel, which actually is like a nice little anti-slip guard as well. We actually have a full review of the Beckett Simonon shoe line, their construction, pros, cons as well in the links below. We even go as far as to compare them to an Allen Edmonds shoe, which many of you, especially in the USA, will be familiar with, because these shoes come in around $160 if you use the 20% off coupon code that Bespoke Unit and Beckett Simonon have teamed up to offer you guys, which is BU20. I really like the double monk, but I have a particularly large foot, a 14 double E, and then Charles-Philippe actually likes the single monk as it's got kind of the longer back, a little smaller feet. But I actually own both single and double monks, not from Beckett Simonon, as that is one of the cons we mentioned in the video, because they don't make shoes big enough for me. However, for you guys that are in a regular, normal human shoe size, that's probably not an issue for you guys. With that being said, I'm going to talk a little about the formality. So the monk strap shoe is kind of a semi-formal shoe. The black, I mean, in a pinch, I think you could get away with a tuxedo, but it's more of a more formal business shoe. I think you can go all the way through to kind of business casual, and I even dress it down with jeans and a shirt sometimes. And then when you're going to go outside of the black family here to the Bordeaux color, I believe they refer to it as, and we actually have a video of all the main Beckett Simonon shoe colors. This is going to be a little less formal. So again, this would never, in my opinion, be acceptable really with a tuxedo. But it's going to look great in a business setting, especially a more casual business setting. You know, it could be, again, with the colorway, it's probably more of a fall winter color. But again, it does add that nice rich depth, the way you could probably get away with it in the summer as well.
It's certainly a shoe that could potentially be worn casually in some.
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, if I'm going to wear this with a, yeah, definitely. So you can definitely dress this down. Probably would, both of these shoes probably would not look good in shorts for obvious reasons, so it's not that dressed down of a shoe. Where would this fit in your collection? I wouldn't say these would be the first shoe you should buy if you're looking for a dress shoe. Would probably always recommend, as most shoe people would, a black cap toe Oxford. If you did have a small shoe collection, I would probably favor the black color in either shoe style. Probably one of the first shoes. If you're looking to branch out into an interesting color, then I would say this is definitely something to go for. It's not your regular brown, it's definitely a reddish brown. This could probably be a, you know, a 4th or 5th shoe. As someone who has probably around 50 to 60 dress shoes, I definitely get a little bit more creative.
Well, you say that, but even in my early collection when I only had 2 pairs of shoes, one of them was Bordeaux. I really did enjoy being able to wear that with tweed, because it is something different, as Paul mentioned. Yeah,
definitely a tweed wearer. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of tan shoes, so yeah, definitely if you're looking to step out and not get your normal brown, the Bordeaux stroke oxblood category is definitely something interesting that's a little different. It's going to make you stand out as well. So I think we've rambled on enough about these 2 monk strap shoes. We are doing a series around several of the different Beckett Simonon shoe styles and colorways and how that may fit into your particular wardrobe. Please see the links below. Please also comment below on what you think should be your first, second or third pair of shoes, or how you think these shoes may fit into your collection as well. Also, please suggest any other video content you may want from us here at Bespoke Unit, as we're always looking to help the community learn ourselves and help you guys learn a little bit more as well. Like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications, because we're always pushing out new content here and on bespokeunet.com/shoes. But shoe content, as well as many other topics around men's lifestyle stuff. I mean, the extras are getting pretty long on this one.
They are indeed.
You know, but you know, we're both very excited about the content we're putting out. You know,
we've been working hard for quite a few years since Bespoke was founded, and been really getting our heads down, writing a lot of content, creating videos more and more and more.
Yeah,
and we'd really like to share what we've created with the rest of you.
And we have created some interesting brand partnerships like those with Beckett Simonon, Davidoff in cigars, some different watchmakers and different suit makers as well. So we always try and push products that we've bought ourselves, enjoyed, such as these for you, because you can actually wear the shoes and go from there. Well, with all that being said, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative, as well as the other resources that we've mentioned. With all that being said, my name's Paul Anthony.
I'm CP.
And we'll see you next time.
Take care.